Welcome to the Relaxing and Affirmation World Channel, your peaceful space for education, empowerment, and emotional well-being, especially curated for those in their golden years. Today's topic is close to the heart for many people over the age of 60. Dating over 60, tips for finding love again. Whether you've lost a partner, gone through a divorce, or have simply been single for a while, finding love later in life can feel both exciting and intimidating. But here's the good news. Love doesn't retire. It evolves, matures, and deepens. And yes, it is absolutely possible, even beautiful, to fall in love again at 60, 70, or beyond. In this video, we'll guide you through practical, emotional, and mindset-based tips to help you open your heart again while staying true to who you are now. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Embracing the possibility of love again. The first and most important step in dating over 60 is believing that it's possible. Many people believe love is only for the young, and that relationships belong to a different chapter of life. But love doesn't have an age limit. Allow yourself to be open. Let go of outdated beliefs such as it's too late for me or nobody wants someone my age. These thoughts are not facts. They're just fears. Instead, replace them with affirmations like, I am worthy of love, or I am open to meaningful connection. Emotional openness is the soil in which new love can grow. Even if you're unsure, try saying yes to the idea of love again. Segment 2. Healing from the past before moving forward. Before stepping into a new relationship, it's essential to take time to heal from past wounds. This might mean grieving the loss of a spouse, processing a divorce, or reflecting on years spent alone. Forgiveness of others and of yourself is a powerful tool. Recognize your past, honor it, but don't let it define your future. You deserve love, joy, and companionship in this new chapter. Sometimes talking to a counselor or close friend can help you process lingering pain. Don't rush the healing. Go at your own pace, but stay committed to moving forward. Segment 3. Understanding what you want now. Love after 60 is different than love at 25, and that's a good thing. You now have life experience, wisdom, and clarity. Use that to understand what kind of partner you want today. Ask yourself, do I want a companion to travel with? Someone to talk to every day? A partner to share retirement with? Or perhaps a romantic connection that still gives me space? There's no right answer. The goal is to understand your needs and be honest with yourself. Clarity will help you make better choices and avoid wasting time. Segment 4. Where to meet people over 60. Meeting people after 60 may seem challenging, but there are more options than ever. Online dating, interest-based social groups, hobby clubs, senior centers, and even volunteer work can be great ways to meet like-minded individuals. Don't be afraid to try online platforms like Our Time, Silver Singles, or eHarmony, which are tailored for mature daters. Be patient. Not every connection will lead to love, but every interaction is a step forward. You can also explore community events, local book clubs, fitness classes, or art workshops. The key is to stay active, engaged, and socially open. Segment 5. Building confidence and self-love, ***. Dating starts with confidence, and confidence begins with self-love. At this stage of life, you've accomplished so much. You've lived, learned, and grown. Take time to appreciate your body, your mind, and your journey. Practice self-care. Wear clothes that make you feel good, and speak kindly to yourself. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being real. The right person will appreciate your authenticity, your scars, your stories, and your smile. Segment 6. Navigating online dating safely and wisely. Online dating can be an effective tool, but it's important to use it safely. Never share personal or financial information too early, and always meet in public places for the first few dates. Write an honest but uplifting profile. Highlight your interests, your values, and your sense of humor. Post a few recent photos that show your personality. Be open-minded, but also trust your instincts. Online dating is a numbers game. Not every message or match will lead somewhere, and that's okay. Stay hopeful, stay patient, and enjoy the process. Segment 7. Communication and emotional maturity in relationships. One of the greatest benefits of dating later in life is emotional maturity. Use it to your advantage. Practice honest, clear communication. Express your needs without guilt. Listen without judgment. Don't be afraid to ask important questions early on. What are you both looking for? How do you each view relationships at this stage? What are your values and boundaries? Mutual respect, understanding, and emotional safety are the foundations of any lasting connection. Emotional maturity makes love richer and deeper. Segment 8. Physical intimacy and emotional connection. Intimacy is not just physical. It's also emotional. Many people over 60 feel unsure about intimacy, especially if it has been a long time since their last relationship. But intimacy doesn't have to be rushed or pressured. It can be rediscovered slowly with trust and communication. Emotional closeness, eye contact, gentle touches, and shared laughter are powerful forms of connection. If physical issues arise, talk openly with your doctor or partner. There are solutions, and more importantly, there is no shame in taking your time. Connection is what truly matters. Segment 9. Staying positive through the ups and downs. Dating is a journey, and like all journeys, it comes with ups and downs. You may face rejection, disappointment, or even awkward moments. That's normal, and it's okay. Each experience teaches you something new. Stay focused on the bigger picture: joy, connection, and growth. Keep a light heart, and don't take things too personally. Surround yourself with supportive friends. Stay busy with meaningful activities, and keep reminding yourself that you are worthy of love and companionship. Closing. Finding love again after 60 is not just possible. It can be one of the most beautiful chapters of your life. You are not starting over. You are starting from experience. And that experience brings depth, warmth, and authenticity to every connection you make. So keep your heart open. Be brave. Be kind to yourself. And most of all, believe that love can come at any time, in any form, and in the most unexpected ways. To those who are just starting this journey, be patient. To those who've tried and felt discouraged, be hopeful. And to those who think it's too late, trust that it's never too late to be seen, cherished, and loved for exactly who you are. At Relaxing and Affirmation World Channel, we believe in the power of your second or third chapter. We believe that the heart has no expiration date, and that real, fulfilling love can find you when you're open, ready, and true to yourself. Thank you for spending this time with us. If this video touched you, please consider subscribing to our channel. We release calming, empowering, and educational content designed especially for those over 50, because we believe your journey deserves to be supported, celebrated, and embraced. Until next time, take care of your heart, honor your journey, and always remember, the best is yet to come.